Phantom vehicle law in Missouri. Hi, my name is Nedim Ramic, your friendly car accident lawyer here in the St. Louis area. And today's topic is an interesting one, and it's the phantom vehicle law here in Missouri. So nothing is, I don't want to say nothing is worse, but a few things are worse than being involved in a car accident. And one of those situations can be that the other vehicle actually leaves the scene of the accident. Another point can be that that vehicle never really touched your vehicle, but kind of like pushed you off the road by entering into your lane on the highway. I had one of those. Or the vehicle enters your roadway coming from the opposite direction and you're forced to swerve to avoid that vehicle, and then you hit a tree. Had a case like that as well. So and then people are actually worried that the insurance company is not going to cover anything like that because no other vehicle touched your vehicle and it just looks like you ran off the road and hit a tree. However, there is a possibility of recovery under the phantom vehicle law in Missouri, and the phantom vehicle as used by an insurance company refers to a vehicle involved in an accident where neither the driver nor the vehicle can be identified after the fact. And so it's a tricky one to prove, so that's why it's also very important to contact a lawyer that's handled these things before, because obviously, first things first, you got to call the police and you got to tell them what happened. And the other thing is, if there was a witness that stops after the accident, get their information, obviously, if you're able to and not too badly injured to do that. Get their information because their testimony may be vital to prove that there was another vehicle. Because at the end of the day, if you are by yourself in the vehicle and you hit a tree because another vehicle entered your roadway and you swerved to avoid him, it's just your word against the insurance company who's going to say like, well, we don't believe you, basically. So it's very important to get the police report, get contact information of any witnesses that stop after the fact and see if they have seen anything. And so one other thing that's particular to Missouri is that phantom vehicle, it does not require contact. Some other jurisdictions require that there was contact, and basically if a red car swipes a white car, you're going to have some paint swipe on each one of those. So it's kind of easier to prove. But in Missouri, it does not require contact, meaning that if you're driving down the road, 2-lane, one in each direction, and the driver coming towards you swerves into your lane, and you swerve to the right to avoid that vehicle without touching it, in Missouri, you're still entitled to recovery under the phantom vehicle law, if you're able to prove it, obviously. In other jurisdictions, if there was no contact, you will not be able to recover anything. Hope this helps. If you have any questions regarding a car accident here in the St. Louis area, don't hesitate to give me a call at 314-352-6800. Thank you, and you have a good day.